Hi, Dr. Chen. I'm over here working with education data for Team 3. There's a preview of the data set. Basically, a lot are most public universities in the nation, uh, split by year, 2018, 2019, 2020. Focus on enrollments and graduation rates. Has the name, the state, and total enrollment is categorized within bins right here. And so there's some issues with the data. There's some null values. If you go through the Excel sheet, you'll find some null values for graduation rates for some universities for some years, and some universities just have null values across the board for some years. So we'll adjust that in here. So right now I'm connecting to the data Excel sheet. And so it comes in, it's a work area, and it goes to sheets, split by year. And so what I want to do is combine them into one table. So I'm going to do a union. So go ahead and drag it out. And I do want to fix the data types, but I'm going to do that once they're all union together in a cleaning step. Then add 2020 to this union. So as you can see in the workflow, 2020, 2019, 2018, all together union. And that's how it looks right here. You got abbreviation, institution, size category, full-time enrollment, graduation, part-time. And so I'm gonna clean this up, but I'm gonna add a cleaning step. And now I can see all the fields. This field we could drop since it's just an artifact of the three sheets being combined together. So I'm gonna remove it. And this field is called HD 2020. It's just how the data source we got is from iPads. So it's just how they name this particular data set. And it says state abbreviation, but really it's the state name. So I'm going to rename that. Just double click on it. And I'm just going to call it, let's see, I'm going to call it state because that's what it is. And so now it's renamed. Going slow. Okay. And then I'm going to change this data type because it is geographic. And I'm going to do geographic by state. And there you go. So that way, once I upload it to desktop, it'll see it as a geographic. It'll have a geographical role, which will help with visualizations. I'm gonna rename this to make it capitalized. Institution name size. Let me go like this and make the name lowercase. Just make institution capitalized. Size category is good. Oops. Size category is good. Full-time enrollment is good. Graduation rate, total cohorts, part-time enrollment, total enrollment year, capitalized year. There we go. Okay, let me go through data types. This is a string, the name of the universities. Size categories are string. I wonder this way. I'll play with that a little bit later. Because since these are like bins based off total enrollment, I wonder if I could make that numerical or not. Full-time enrollment, graduation. Yeah, that's number. Graduation rate. once I get this in desktop, I'll probably change it to percentage when I'm ready to make it into graphs and stuff for graduation rate. Year, this is going to be a date, not a number. That'll be fun. Yeah, and then once this uploads into desktop, it will be a year. And just show the year in the graphs. Okay, so some areas to address. There's some null values. Well, first, let me see if there's any duplicates. So there shouldn't be more than one university in this data set, but I can see here it's this line. It's double the size. Glendale Community College. That if they show up multiple times, it might be a duplicate. So I guess we will look at that. Let me see. They're not duplicates. Not technically, because they do have the same college name, but they're just two different colleges with the same name in two different states. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to split this up. Okay. Well, after thinking about it a little bit and playing around for the Tableau prep, I don't know if I could separate this here, but I know once I put it in desktop, I can probably concatenate institution name with state when I make visualization, so Tableau will be able to recognize in Tableau desktop the difference between the two colleges. Okay, so next I'm going to adjust the nulls. So I'm gonna go to enrollment. I'm going to go null. Click on it, see what pops up. And you see Penn State. Their information is null for 2018 and 2019 years. And since we want to see a trend in universities, I'm probably just going to drop Penn State altogether. So I'm going to go back over here and filter out Penn State. So let's change this. Let's see how we filter out Penn State. Filter. Select the values. I'm just going to get rid of Penn State altogether. Yep. And I'm going to exclude it. And yeah. Hit done. And that should be gone. Yeah, there's no values anymore for full-time enrollment, part-time, or total enrollment. It was all just Penn State. Those no values. And since the goal of the project is to see how these universities' enrollment rates change over time, not having Penn State's information for the last two out of the 3 years it won't be helpful. And so now I'm going to look at the null values for graduation rates. And what it shows here. And it says 21 instances. Oh no, 19 instances. All of it's the same school, just they don't have graduation rate for each year, so they pop up 3 times. And so the number of distinct schools we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 distinct schools. Just repeat over and over. So I'm probably gonna get rid of these schools too, so. Go here. Colorado State. schools they are. They're all selected on here, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna go here, filter. The computer will load. Oh, no, why did that? Okay. Click on the O. Pop up here, filter. Oh, that didn't work. Let me see. No. Oh, I just say exclude. Let's see. Oh yeah, there he goes. Yep, it went from 515 to 510. So they're excluded too. Very nice. Okay, so now we have no values. Capella though. August, Capella had no value for 2018. But not for 2019, 2020. Graduation rate was 0. That probably isn't right. And that's probably going to throw off some calculations. But I'll probably keep them in. Because they do have enrollment correct, but not graduation. So I'll probably just make a note to exclude them in any charts about graduation rate. Yeah. So that's cool. Okay, so I changed the names, capitalize them, change the data types, got rid of no values. See a preview of the table. Oh, no, I want the whole table. Let me click off. That's cool. It looks good to me. What's the recommendation? Size, category, split values. Let's see how that looks. Oh no, I don't want that. I wonder if size category would even be helpful in visualizations, but we'll see. And then, okay, so everything looks clean to me. I go over to a preview in Tableau Desktop right here. And it'll show real quick. And I'm probably going to go into Tableau Desktop too, and just to show off the data set. Oh yeah, it's here. That's good. Let's see if we could do a little quick visualization, make sure everything looks right. So let's see, what do we want to do? Let's do institution name as a column. Now we as a row. Let's do enrollment rate. Sum of full-time enrollment rate. And let's do it by year. Let's add a year up here. Enrollment rate by year. And then we go to filter out. What do I think? Filter out by, we do institution name. Okay. We do by state. Okay. We do by year. Let's do just year. Because that's all we have anyways. And then I could do show filter.